Good morning, Thursday, May the 22nd, and the weather on Marco Island right now is absolutely glorious. 79 degrees, it's going to be 87 as a high today, and it is very humid. By about 1 p.m. we should start getting some clouds coming in, but no rain today. And we've got sunset tonight at 8:09, so definitely head down to the beach and check out the sunset. Well, as for the rest of the week, Saturday starts our rainy season officially, because look at that. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, rain, thunderstorms every day. So we've got a chance of thunderstorms on Saturday, 40%, 35% on Sunday, 40% on Monday, 35% on Tuesday, 40% of thunderstorms on Wednesday. So I think Saturday, our rainy season officially begins. So get used to it. Nice in the mornings, thunderstorms in the afternoons. I love it. As for the tropics, well, we have this system off the coast of Mexico in the Pacific, and that's got a 50% chance of formation right now, but it's not heading anywhere towards us. It's just going in the Pacific and possibly could affect Hawaii, but that's quite a ways off. So by the middle of next week, this should be a tropical depression. So I think hurricane season has also started early. So hurricane season already started, and so is the rainy season. Well, on Saturday, I think it officially starts. We're going to get some thunderstorms. Alright, thanks for watching. My name is Paul. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.